In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create a bokeh effect without using a DSLR camera on your Android device. So please watch the video till the end. Here I'm using autofocus application which is available for free on the Play Store. After opening the application, you can choose the image and then here you can see the various tools available. Firstly, I'll choose the first tool to mark the subject so that it separates from the background. You just need to drag your finger over the subject to mark it. You don't need to be very precise while doing this work. After you have marked whole subject, choose the second tool and then drag over the background. It will automatically separate the background from the foreground. You can zoom in to deselect the smaller areas. If you have accidentally made a wrong selection, you can always go to the eraser tool and erase that area. You can use the eye tool, which is in the last, to see the image without the mask. When the selection is completed, press the next button. Now go to fading options and select natural. It will apply the blur effect to the image gradually. Now go to the blur option and then increase the blur strength. I'm making the blur strength 100%. Now to create the bokeh effect, go to aperture and select bokeh. Here increase the bokeh strength. After creating a bokeh effect, if you want to apply some filters in the background, go to filters and then choose the background tab. Here you can choose various types of effects. I'm choosing this effect. Now the image is ready to save. To save the image, press the save button on the upper side. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. This is Kumar Rami and you're watching Tech Pirate.